This is the entertainment center that Mom bought at Bargain World.
But the TV is too tall. It won't fit in
It would fit in
sideways. But
sideways, but not tall. So, what are we doing, honey?
We are modifying it. We're doing a little bit of carpentry here.
Cut off like this. Well, there's one.
Well, that's one way to do it.
And there she goes.
And then, since it kind of is ugly right here now, right?
That's why I said get some.
We use those drawers thingies, right?
Drawer things.
Those things that we took out of it.
Well, we're not going to
Door.
talk about being ugly. I mean, my house isn't the most perfect house in the world.
Well, we can make that look better, though, Mom.
Just dust it off, Keith.
Just dust it
And
off.
that's
Dust it off.
how you get it to fit.
And that's the hillbilly way to do it.